So on YouTube, there's a guy that was doing like a freestanding with his caregiver, and so I thought it would be cool to try that with my dad. So for safety, my dad's gonna put the gait belt around me, and also it just helps him to lift me up. And freestanding is pretty much like a standing frame, but it's mostly for those that don't have standing frames, so they'll usually have somebody help them stand up. And they used to use the gait belt on me when I was in rehab. Okay, so I never done this before, so if I was to fall, at least I got it on camera. Okay, I think he had it like this. Okay. God, it's not working. I wish I had like the AFOs to lock in my legs.
What are you talking about?
Yeah, okay, put me down. Yeah, my knees are just, they won't straighten out, and plus I'm taller than my dad. So yeah, it's kind of hard for him to like pretty much raise me all the way up. Yeah, he made it look so easy, but honestly, I have no clue how he did this. And I actually have a standing frame, but I don't like to use it because using a standing frame, it hurts my back, and then also it irritates my nerves. So, and the reason why it hurts my back because I was shot on my spine, and so my spine is bent. Okay, take two. Try it one more time. Let's see. Maybe bring my legs in closer. Okay, one more time. You ready? Yeah, 2, 3. No. Yeah, he didn't have the KFOs, and what KFOs are is like the leg brace to help him lock out his legs, but that's something I should try to talk to my doctor to try to get, because I see a lot of paraplegics where they get like the KFOs and they use a walker, and even though they cannot move their legs, like if they're a complete paraplegic, they pretty much just like pivot their hips to pretty much walk. So yeah, honestly, this vlog was a fail, but it was very interesting. I just wish my legs was able to straighten out fully, and I wish my dad was a little taller. Okay. But yeah, but at least we tried. But I thought it was very interesting seeing that one guy doing it on YouTube. So yeah, and if you want to see what I'm talking about with the freestanding, then I'll be leaving his channel in the description. Then also I'll be leaving in the comments.
You know how you at the gyms they have the steppers to do the steps. Maybe that's what they had. That's how they were able to raise the person up if they were the same height.
Oh, okay.
You know what I mean? Like a step stool.
Yeah, like you on the step stool.
But it pretty much weight.
Yeah,
weight
to even out
the step.
Yeah, to even out both our height. So yeah, cause my dad is 5'4".
That's it.
5'6", and I'm 5'7", but yeah, I'm the tallest of the family. But yeah, I think I'm 5'8". actually.
Alright, so I guess I am the tallest one of us.
What are you talking about? I'm 6'2". Says so right here on my driver's license.
Yeah, that doesn't count.
Why not?
You gonna make me say it?
Lay me out on the floor. I'm 6'2".
Hey, you guys.
Peter, how tall am I?
I don't know. How tall is a mailbox? You're about a mailbox.
If you thought this video was very interesting, then you might also like my nighttime routine video, and you can check it out by clicking this video right here.